Hi and welcome to Lazy Cooking with Morten. And today we're gonna be making something really posh. We're gonna be making chicken noodles. Ooh, doesn't get much more posh than this. This takes 4 to 5 minutes and yeah, 5-minute cooking. So let's get on to it. To prepare the noodles here, chicken noodles, we need to prepare them. Chop chop, and we're good to go. And we're gonna be putting these on a pan, of course. One pan, and some pieces came out, and the chicken noodles goes on the pan. There are some accessories here, and I don't know why this is packed separately, because we're just gonna be putting it on top. There we are, chicken noodles on the pan. It's gonna be a bit dry, so we need to add a little bit of water here. Here is the water hole, so let's add just a little bit of water. There goes on the stove, and we set that to 1,000,000 degrees, maybe a little bit less than 1,000,000 degrees, ever so slightly less than 1,000,000 degrees, and that's gonna be cooking. We're gonna add a little bit. As a server administrator, we are gonna add 2 eggs, a redundant solution, and when we open that up, we will find that the eggs itself is also a redundant solution, and that of course goes with both of them. So double redundant solution, awesome. We're gonna be mixing these eggs up a little bit. To do that, we have a mixer. Oh, it's a 3 times mixer, awesome. So mix it. There. I'm sure that's good. So we can take that out of the way. We're gonna add an onion. I love onions, and a couple of sausages. So chop chop chop. Took only 2 seconds, maybe a little bit less. We're gonna pop that into the eggs. Yeah, I have no idea, but yeah, we're gonna do that. So chop chop chop. Everything in the eggs. It can take it, I'm sure. And we're just gonna mix that a little bit. Almost 1,000,000 degrees helps, and we are done. We can put this into the noodles, which is great, and it will continue with 1,000,000 degrees. Maybe we should just stir it a little bit. I'll just add a little bit of used motor oil here and a little bit of pepper. Okay, 1,000,000 degrees. It's almost done. Doesn't take long. Hey Cyril, could you please do the dishes while I'm cooking?
Okay.
Okay, she's so quick, look at that. Already the kitchen is done. Cool. Be asking yourself, well, those onion pieces are a little bit big. Could you cut those a little bit smaller? And the answer is, of course, no, that's not possible. And it's not as if I'm making up the rules. Have to follow the rules, and onion pieces just have to be that big. So yeah, no. This fine meal, I'm breaking out the good china, which in this case is from the USSR. Okay, so it's Russian-inspired china, and it's served in plenty portions. So yeah, just a serving tip for you there, and well served with the ketchup of your choice. And a cold beer. And I see that I haven't used all my time, so maybe there's enough time for the story about my ingrown toenail. Oh, damn, I see the time is gone. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me do stupid stuff again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.